In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank statement in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you'll find these steps clear and easy to follow. Reconciling your bank statements regularly is vital for ensuring your financial records are accurate and for spotting any discrepancies early on. So let's dive in and make sure your books are in great shape. First things first, you'll need to sign in. Open QuickBooks Online and look for the sign in button. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your mobile device or email access handy to complete the process. Once you're signed in, choose QuickBooks Online from the list of available options. If you manage multiple accounts, be sure to select the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Next, enter your credentials, which for many will include a secure password and possibly a username. If you've saved these on your browser, they might autofill, but always double check for accuracy before hitting the continue button. Once successfully logged in, you're ready to start the reconciliation process. Head over to the settings menu. You can access this by clicking on the gear icon typically located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. From there, find and click on the Reconcile option. This will bring you to the heart of your reconciliation activities, where we can focus on aligning your QuickBooks records with your actual financial statements. Now you'll need to choose the account you want to reconcile. Let's assume today you're reconciling your business credit card. Make sure you select the correct account from the list to ensure you're adjusting the right records. It's important to regularly reconcile all active accounts to help maintain accurate and up-to-date bookkeeping. After selecting the account, you should see fields to enter your statement, ending balance, and statement ending date. These figures should match exactly with what's on your bank statement. Any discrepancies here will definitely throw off your entire reconciliation process, so check the figures twice before proceeding. Once that's done, start matching and clearing each transaction. This means you'll need to compare the transactions listed in QuickBooks to those on your bank statement. Mark each transaction that matches, noting any differences you find. It's essential to continue matching and clearing transactions. You'll know your work is complete when the difference field shows 0. If there's a discrepancy, you may need to double check for any missing or incorrectly entered transactions. Finally, when everything looks correct and the difference is 0, you're ready to start reconciling. Click on the Start Reconciling button and QuickBooks will finalize the process. This might seem a bit tedious, but keeping your accounts updated through regular reconciliation will save you ample time in the long run by minimizing errors and simplifying financial tracking. And there you have it, you've successfully reconciled a bank statement in QuickBooks Online. Remember, the key to efficient bookkeeping is consistency. Make this process part of your regular financial routine to ensure you always have an accurate picture of your business's financial health. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.